Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out another review. Tonight we're going to be talking about another new company, small batch, making their spotlight in the beard world. That company is called Semper Fi Beard Co. Stay tuned. Welcome back guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking it out. I hope everybody's having a great night, great day, wherever you're at. I'd like to thank you guys for your continued support. I super appreciate it. Like I always say, I couldn't be here without you guys. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Tonight we're going to be talking about a small batch company out of Fort Wayne, Indiana called Semper Fi Beard Company. This company is veteran owned and operated, small batch, made to order products. The owner's name is Derek. Derek got out of the military, I think I read 2014. He decided to grow his freedom beard and then start his own business, and here we are today. All the ingredients he uses in his products are 100% natural, and they're really good for the beard. As I stated, it's a small batch. He don't have any stock in any building or anything. He actually, every order he gets, he hand makes it then and there. So freshness is obviously a plus for him. Derek has sent me 3 of his beard oils to go over for you guys tonight. I've had these for a little while now, tried them each individual scent. This beard oil, my beard really took a liking to. The first time I used it, my beard literally like engulfed it. It like sucked in the oil, just, it was crazy. It made my beard really soft. It felt good, not a whole lot of shine to it, but it just made my beard really soft. I'll show you guys his business card first. And these aren't like a normal business card. These are the real thick type business cards. He also sent a note, which is always enjoyable. Mr. Beardtastic, on behalf of the Semper Fi Beard, I would like to thank you for your support on reviewing our products and helping to promote our small business. We are truly grateful. In this package, I've included the private, the corporal, and the sergeant. We hope you enjoy them as much as we do. Also, he's going to provide a 20% coupon for you guys. I'll let you know that at the end of the video. Regards, Derek Heater, founder. Thank you, Derek. I really appreciate that. First one we'll go over tonight for you guys is called the Corporal. Waterproof, oil-proof. As you can see, a little bit of a shininess on them. And this consists of pine, seed, and bergamot. I'm not a huge pine fan. On bottle open, that's what I get, the pine. But as soon as you start warming it up, like all beard oils, you warm them up, they're gonna change, obviously. And I start to get that cedar and that bergamot. This was my least favorite, but I did wear it a few times. It's got a really nice, crisp scent to it. As you can see, it's a thick oil. The ingredients in their products are jojoba oil, argan oil, grapeseed, sweet almond, castor oil, and essential oil for fragrance. I couldn't spit that out. And castor oil being the last oil, I think it's super thick. It feels really good in beard. And as you can see on the side, another good thing, made in the USA. That's always nice to see. The next one is called the Sergeant. And the Sergeant is sandalwood and vanilla. I'm a big sandalwood and vanilla fan, so this was right up my block. You don't get a dominant sandalwood or a dominant vanilla. You just get that little combination of both. It's a real nice sandalwood type sweet scent to it. And again, it's got a nice thick consistency. This was my favorite, I believe, out of the 3. Obviously, because it was sandalwood and vanilla, I really liked that combo. That was the Sergeant. And the last one is the Private. And the Private consists of leather, cedar, and vanilla. And this, it's on the verge of a cologne type. It's like a real, like kind of a musky cologne type. This is another one that was one of my favorites. The sandalwood and vanilla in this one. Nice thick consistency. It smells good. The longevity, I think this one was the longest. I got about 6 hours out of the private. The sandalwood and vanilla, I got about 4.5 because it's a little bit lighter. And then the corporal, I got about 6 hours too. All these products, like I said, they got natural ingredients in them. They felt great in beard, non-greasy, just overall great products to put in your beard. Thank you, Derek, for sending these out for review. I appreciate it. Guys, I'll leave everything in the description box below to check these products out. Remember, it's veteran owned and operated, so Derek, thank you for your service. I appreciate it. The coupon code to save you guys 20% is TASTIC20, TASTIC 20. I'll put it right here for you guys. Thank you guys for sticking around for the video. I appreciate it. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I appreciate all the support. Until the next video, peace. Guys, thanks for sticking around. If you're still here, I appreciate all the support. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button.